Hi and hello. Have you been to an online events that you felt sorry for attending or you felt bored for attending? Don't worry, I also felt the same in some of the online events that I have attended. That is the reason that today I will discuss to you how to make your online events enjoyable. Are you ready? So here we go. First is to ensure the production value of your online events. What it means is that the videos that you're using, the graphics, and the sounds should be presentable or enjoyable to your attendees. Try to imagine if you present a blurred or video, definitely it will give a poor experience to your attendees. Therefore, always strive to give a good production value to your online conference. Second is to make your online conference or events interactive. How to make it possible? First, you can present a Q&A where your attendees can ask questions from your speakers. Second, you can create a live polling by presenting issues that your attendees can vote. Third, and one of the best tools that you can use is to create a contest or a giveaways where the attendees that gave the correct answer wins a prize. At ToyCon webinars, what we do is all the guests that we invited at the end of the program gets to ask a trivial question or a trivia question, and attendees that gave the correct answer wins a prize. And so far, that's one of the highlight of the ToyCon webinars that we do every Saturday, 8 p.m. Third is to design your program differently. As an events organizer or online events organizer, I believe that we are the architect of the program that we create. Therefore, we have the creativity and freedom to present a different webinar or online events to our attendees. For example, in our webinar business marketplace, we allow our guests to ask questions with each other. It creates a fluid discussion because now the power is not only coming from the moderator, but the power is balanced to all the attendees. Fourth is present your online events into chunks. What I mean about it is that the maximum or the minimum to maximum hours that you can give your attendees your online events is from 1 hour to 2 hours. No more, no less. Why? Because of if you want to capture the attention and interest of your attendees who are watching mostly from home and there's a lot of distraction in their homes, you only have to present your online events into chunks. And the best time is 1 hour to 2 hours. Again, present your online events into chunks. And last but not the least, create a networking platform for your attendees. Again, you heard it right. Create an online networking platform for your attendees. In our physical events, one of the biggest hit and one of the most loved aspect of our events is the networking opportunity that we provide for our attendees. And even if it's an online event, there are a lot of ways to make networking a possibility. And if you do that, I'll guarantee you your attendees would love you. There you go. These are the 5 ways on how to make your online events enjoyable. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon.